Hey guys, in today's video we will discuss how you can easily recover deleted ODT files, also known as Open Document Text files. It is an open word processing XML based file that can be used across multiple word processing softwares like MS Office, WPS Office, Google Docs pages, etc. In case you have accidentally deleted ODT files from your PC, then fret not, because I will tell you some easy ways to recover your deleted ODT files. So without further ado, let's dive in. You can recover deleted ODT file using the Ctrl+Z shortcut key on your PC. But what will you do if you mistakenly deleted multiple ODT files or the entire folder at once? In that case, you can visit the Windows Recycle bin on your PC and get your ODT files back. To do that, open the Windows Recycle bin, right-click to select the ODT file, then select the Restore option. Alternatively, if you wish to recover more than one ODT file, then press and hold the Ctrl key to select the files. Once selected, click on Restore the selected items, and your deleted ODT files will be restored to their original location. But remember, this method is only useful if your ODT files are not deleted from the Windows Recycle bin. In case you have wiped out your files from the Recycle bin, then check if you have created a backup of your ODT files. If yes, then you can download them from your backup. For example, I store my crucial data on Google Drive. So I'm going to show you how you can restore your deleted ODT files from the Google Drive. First, sign into your Google Drive account with the correct login credentials. Then select the ODT file and click on the three dots for more options. Now, click on Download option and the ODT file will be saved in your PC's download folder. On the other hand, if you want to download more than one file at once, then select the ODT files with the Ctrl key. Finally, right-click the selected ODT files and click on Download. Keep in mind that this method will only work if you have created the backup of your ODT files. If you do not have any backup, then there is one more chance to recover your deleted ODT files. You can use reliable data recovery software like Stellar Data Recovery, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, and so on. However, these recovery softwares are not free. You can preview your deleted ODT files in the free version and recover them by purchasing the subscription from their official website. I have put the purchase links of the data recovery tools in the description. Here I introduce this all-file recovery tool, also known as EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. With this sophisticated data recovery tool, you will be able to recover your permanently deleted ODT files in a few steps. First, download and install the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard on your PC. You can download this software using the link in the description. Then open the data recovery software, select the location from where you deleted the ODT files and click on Scan. Once the scanning is done, click on OK and double-click on the Documents tab from the left menu panel. Then you will see the preview of all types of document formats. Just scroll down until you find the ODT folder and select the ODT files that you want to recover. Finally, hit the blue Recover button and your deleted ODT files will be recovered to your PC. Now, I will tell you how you can recover your ODT files on your phone. Normally, all deleted files are stored in the trash folder of your cell phone, which can be retrieved within 30 days from deletion. However, missing the 30-day recovery window will result in the permanent deletion of the ODT files. If you wish to restore them, then third-party data recovery software is the only way that can help you in this situation. Moreover, the software that I will recommend to you is Stellar Data Recovery for Android. It is the most efficient recovery tool. This software is capable of restoring almost all types of video, audio, and document files. You can download and install this data recovery tool on your PC from the official website. Bear in mind that these recovery tools will cost you some dollars, but they will surely do the job. For the demonstration purpose, I will be using my Samsung M12 phone and the recovery process will be divided into three parts. In the first part, we will install the data recovery tool and connect your phone to the PC through a USB cable. Then in the second part, We will enable the USB debugging, and the last part will include the recovery of your permanently deleted ODT files to your phone. So, let's get into it. First, download and install the Stellar Data Recovery tool for Android on your PC. Then launch the recovery software. Now, select the file type that you wish to recover and click on Next. After that, connect your phone with a suitable USB cable and select the File Transfer/Android Auto option. Next, Stellar Recovery software will ask you to enable USB debugging and show the instructions to enable it. However, the process for enabling USB debugging may vary depending on the maker of the cell phone. Therefore, I will explain the USB debugging steps for Samsung phones. To enable USB debugging, select Settings on your phone and tap on About Phone. Select Software Information, then tap 7 times on the build number. By doing this, the developer options will appear on your phone settings. Go back to the settings and tap on Developer options by scrolling down. Next, toggle on the USB debugging and select OK to allow USB debugging. Once your phone is connected, click on the Scan button on your PC screen and wait till the scanning is finished. Make sure that your phone is properly connected to your PC. Otherwise, you will not be able to recover your permanently deleted ODT files. Double-click on the documents from the left panel and your deleted ODT files will appear on the PC screen. Finally, select the ODT files and click on the Save button. With that, your permanently deleted ODT files will be restored on your phone. Now, it's time for some bonus tips that will help you protect your ODT files from unwanted deletion. There are many options through which you can prevent your ODT files from accidental deletion, such as creating multiple copies of your ODT files or storing them on the Google Drive, so you can quickly retrieve your lost ODT files from the backup. My next trick is to save your ODT file contents on the Google Docs. This way, the data of your ODT files will be safe from deletion. Recovering a deleted ODT file is no big deal, because I have told you simple methods to restore your deleted ODT files on your phone and PC. If you found this video informative, then drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor. Until then, see you in the next video.